Go ahead.
And start?
Yes.
Good afternoon, respected ma'am and my dear batchmates. My name is Sonali Kumari. Today I'm stand over here to tell something about my India. First of all, thanks to ma'am because she gave me a golden opportunity to speak about my India. Today I want to start my speech by adding a small kuto. India is my motherland. I love India. India is one of the oldest civilizations in the world with a kaleidoscopic variety and rich cultural heritage. It has achieved all-round socio-economic progress since independence. As the seventh largest country in the world, India stands apart from the rest of Asia and marked off as it is by mountains and the sea, which give the country a distinct geographical entity, and Kanchenjunga is the highest peak in India. India is a unique country with diversity. Unity is diversity is the main slogan of the country. India is known for diversity in the region, diversity in languages, diversity in food, diversity in states, diversity in everything that represents the world. India is one of the best countries in the world for many reasons. Acceptance of people of other religions, the closely bounded family culture, the biggest democratic nation, and the fastest growing economy. With 1.3 billion of population, India is the second largest country in the world. India is God's favorite to be blessed with all seasons, spring, monsoon, autumn, pre-winter, and winter. India is a parliamentary democratic republic in which the President of India is the head of state and the Prime Minister of India is the head of government. And some of the major drawbacks found in Indian economic plans are lack of pragmatic approach, rapid growth of population, and incoordination, and so on. People around the world also recognize India for its Bollywood stardom and beauty peasants. The number system and the number zero are the gift by Aryabhatta from India to the world. One of the finest and the first university of the world, Taxila, belongs to India from 700 BC. Sanskrit, Ayurveda, chess, and many more are the achievements of Indian history. In the field of literature and science, my country has produced a prominent personality such as Rabindranath Tagore, Sara Chandra, Raman Sivi, and Dr. Abdul Kalam. These are big names, make me proud of my country. At present, India is one of the best countries to live in India. India is a hub for education and healthcare facilities. People around the world prefer the low cost and good quality higher education and medical health care in India in comparison to developed nations. India has a high growth rate and very large market, thus it attracts many foreign investors. India is a country where people are changed according to their location. Each state has its incredible beauty for heritage as well as the nation. Each state has its own history of religion. We all are very well know the most famous festival of Bihar is Chhath Puja. I want to share with you how to celebrate Chhath Puja in my city Chhapra. Chhapra in Bihar today I know mainly for two things: the Ambika Bhavani temple, one of the Shakti Pit in India, and the other is Chhath Puja celebration. On the occasion of Chhath Puja celebration, on the occasion of Chhath Puja of this are celebrated for 4 days. Preparation for the festival have already begun, as it is quite a big deal in those regions where it is celebrated. A different level of determination is required to observe Chhath fast, and it's actually not everyone cup of tea. One of cannot afford to make any mistakes during these 4 days in the home where Chhath is being celebrated. It is I said that if that if is the एक मिनट में. It is said that if you this festival related to Chhath Maya and the sun god, it is said that done properly, this puja can make any of your wishes come true, especially the traditions like filling kosi, which is century old, is being believed to have magical effects. I want to say that this festival was celebrated in Bihar and Jharkhand also, but in comparison to another places like Patna, Muzaffarpur, Siwan, not celebrated like this that celebrated in Chhapra. I want to say that if you enjoy this festival, then you come Chhapra and how this festival celebrated in Chhapra. In future of India will be launching its first manned space mission. India may be ruling with the world's largest working population. Further, I would like to add that in time education, technology, financial and social impact project, after the abolition of Article 35A and 370 Kashmiri Pandits and other Indian citizens may not got settled in Jammu and Kashmir. This would therefore attract more tourists in the world. More power to the Indian Army given hence the army would neutralize the terrorism. I would like to conclude by saying that no matter how much I praise my country's achievement, it would be always less. Our country is our motherland, and we always be grateful for whatever we have got from our country. We should participate and put our positive efforts in the growth and development of our nation. I would like to request you to make our nation proud. May it be by keeping our vicinity clean, educating and empowering the weaker section of the society, paying our taxes or conserving our natural resources by recycling and reusing. I would like to thank for God for giving me a great nation, India, as my motherland. Lastly, I would like to end my speech by adding a small poem. कहने को तो धर्म अलग है, कहने को तो धर्म अलग है, लेकिन ऊपर बैठा भगवान एक है, लेकिन ऊपर बैठा भगवान एक है। कहो राम या कहो अल्लाह, सबने लिया जन्म इसी धरती पर है, सबने लिया जन्म इसी धरती पर है। कितने आए और कितने चले गए इसकी शान में, न भगवान ने धर्म देखा न उन शहीदों ने, ना भगवान ने धर्म देखा ना उन शहीदों ने। तो हम कौन होते हैं भेद करने वाले, ये धरती अपनी है ये अंबर अपना है। छोड़ो धर्म का झगड़ा, छोड़ो ऊंच नीच की भावना, कर गुजरो कुछ ऐसा कि धरती का हर एक कोना और माटी का कण कण तुम्हारा नाम ले। That's all.
Hello, good afternoon to all my dear friends, offline and online. My name is Gangaram Mato. I am sharing to this topic, my India. India is my country, and I am proud to be an Indian. India ranks as the 7th largest country of the world and as well as the second most country in population. India is a country which is surrounded by the occasion from their sides, such as by of Bengal, Arvind Sheikh, and the Indian occasion from the three sides. India is also known as Bharat or Hindustan and the national flag of our India. In an is an triangular is surface middle is white and the lower is green and there is an Ashok Chakra in the middle, and this all colors symbolize some things, such as saffron means the purity, and the white means peak, and green means fertility, and the Ashok Chakra contains equally divided 24 spokes. Our national anthem is Jan Gan Man, and the national song is Vande Mataram. And Indian got its freedom on 15 August, Independence Day. That is celebrated every year. The national animals of The national animal of Indian is tiger. India is tiger, and the national birds peacock, and well as the national flower is lotus, and our national sport is hockey. Thank you.
Very good afternoon to all present here. I am Rakesh Kumar Rosan. I am here to deliver a speech on India. India is one of the ancient civilization in the world and is also the largest country in the world. India is one of the best countries in the world for many religions. Acceptance of people of other religions, the closely bonded family culture, the biggest democratic nation, and the fastest growing economy with 1.3 billion of population. India is second largest country in the world. India is God's favorite country to be blessed with all seasons, spring, summer, monsoon, autumn, winter and winter. People around the world also recognize India for Bollywood, stardom and beauty. Peasants, history of India, the number system and the number 0 are a gift by Aryabhat. Aryabhat from India of the world, one of finest and first university of the world. Takshila belonged to India from 700 BC. Sanskrit, arts of navigation, astronomy, algebra, chess, the many more and the achievement of India history. Present of India. At present, India is one of the best countries to live in. India is one of the best tourist attraction in the world. It has 29 states and every state has its varied culture. Since India the richest heritage of cuisine in the world diverse from all states. India is rich in the climate topographic condition. The range has from hot and cold desert to snow-capped mountain form, which with flora and funds natural labor supporting agriculture in many states. India being a developed economy and cheap labor and agriculture based economy gives a low cost of hence making the cost of living of India very low. India is the hub education of the agriculture facility. People around the world prefer the low cost of the good quality higher education and medical health care in India. In comparison, to develop nation India has a high growth rate a very large market to attract many foreign investors. There are not 90,000 languages in the direct spoken in the country. Therefore, attaching many faculty to literature from around the world. Future of India in 2022, India will the launching first managed space missing. India may the ruling with a world largest working population furniture. I would like to add that at times to come, India would be heading more startup which may include agriculture, education, technology, financial and social impact project. After the obligation to Article 35, Article 2070, Kashmiri Pandit and other Indian citizens may get citizen in Jammu and Kashmir. These world therefore attract more tourists and around the world. Politics may attract more educate classes in the future. More power of Indian Army would be given the hands of army would naturalize the tourism. Conclusion. I would like in the conclude by saying that no matter how much I praise my country's achievement, it would always place our country in the our motherland, and we should always the grateful for we safeguard from our country. We should participate and positive effect in the growth and development of our nation. I would like to request you to make our nation proud, may keeping our clean education, improving the weather selection, the society playing our tax conserving and natural resource by recycling and re, reviewing. I would like to thank God for giving me a great national India is my motherland. Thank you.
Switch on your camera.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. As you all know that why I'm present here today to deliver a speech on a topic, My India. But before I go further, I wanna give a thanks to ma'am giving me this opportunity. So let's get start. I'm gonna start it with a quote. If yet your blood does not rage, then it is water that flows in your veins. So what's it the flush of youth? It is not of service of the motherland. India is the second where India is the country where I born. It is the second most populated country in the world and the seventh largest country. India is famous for its rich culture, heritage, and diversity. My country, India, is also known as Bharat, Hindustan, and Aryabhat. And it is a democratic country. My country, India, is also the main slogan of India is unity in diversity. People from different regions stays in India, mainly from every part of the India, every if anywhere you go, find something different. You find different culture, different language, different foods, everything is different in every part of India. And there's a lot of religions lives in India. That is why like Hindu, Muslim, Sikhs, and Christians. I am very proud of my motherland, India, as a citizen. We should respect the rich culture and try to make our nation proud. Now I would like to finish my words with a शायरी, हिंदी शायरी. न सरकार मेरी है, न रौब मेरा है, न बड़ा सा नाम मेरा है. मुझे तो एक छोटी सी बात का घमंड है. मैं भारत का और भारत मेरा है. थैंक यू मैम.
Hello.
Switch on your
Hey
camera.
everyone.
Switch on your camera.
अच्छा everyone, myself Ritik Rajan. We all know that we are talking about India. Welcome to our India. Today we are talking about India, which is known as Bharat and Hindustan. How many know that India's official name? Republic of India. Yeah, sure. The India's official name is Republic of India, located in South Asia, which is on base of the population. Second biggest country after China. Total population of India, we know that 1.3 billion. If the population of world divided into 6 parts, then one part is India. If it's talking about interesting facts of India, then the India is the biggest country where most vegetarian is settled. India is the largest country population milk production, which produce 60% all over the world. In the Indian Railway, about 1.3 million people are working, which connect to Iceland and as usual other countries is more than just population. Our interesting thing is India's first rocket was found on a bicycle, which was taken to Tumba launching station. India is the second largest English-speaking country in India, which is slowly but increasing. So in India, here all people are respected equally, irrespective of their caste, color, creed, and
financial status. Their women feel safe in the society and they are respected as. So India is the God favorite country where all seasons are here. We're proud to say, they are our soldiers saved our life freedomly. When I watched Shershah movie, then I think I should join Indian Army. But I think this is not my job because when I'm playing a PUBG, then I killed my own squad. I killed my own squad with my bomb. So you think when I'm going in real, so what can I do for it? That's all. Thank you for listening.
Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Himanshu Kumar, and thank you, ma'am, for giving a great opportunity. My country is my pride. I am proud to be an Indian. As I believe India is a land-rich culture.